Hello students, in today's video lecture, I am going to discuss about multiple and submultiple, range of lengths, range of masses and range of time interval. Watch this video till the end. Let's start. Because multiple and submultiples of units are used to more conveniently express very large and very small numbers. First is a multiple of SI units. 10 raised to 1 is a deca and the symbol of deca is a DA. Second is 10 raised to 2 is a hecto and the symbol of hecto is small h. Third is a 10 raised to 3 kilo and the symbol of kilo is a small k. Fourth is a 10 raised to 6 mega and the symbol of mega is a big M. Fifth is a 10 raised to 9 giga and the symbol of giga is a big G. Sixth is a 10 raised to 12 tera and the symbol of tera is a big T. Seventh is a 10 raised to 15 peta and the symbol of peta is a big P. And the last is a 10 raised to 18 exa, symbol of exa is a big E. Now I am going to discuss about submultiple of SI units. First is a 10 raised to minus 1 deci and symbol of deci is small d. Second is 10 raised to minus 2 centi and the symbol of centi is small c. Third is 10 raised to minus 3 milli and the symbol of milli is small m. Fourth is 10 raised to minus 6 micro and the symbol of micro is a mu. Fifth is a 10 raised to minus 9 nano, symbol of nano is a small n. Sixth is a 10 raised to minus 12 pico and the symbol of pico is a small p. Seventh is a 10 raised to minus 15 femto, symbol of femto is a small f. Eighth is a 10 raised to minus 18 atto and the symbol of atto is a small e. Now next topic is range and order of length. Look at this table. Maximum length is distance to the boundary of observable universe is equal to 10 raised to 26 meter. And minimum value is size of proton is equal to 10 raised to minus 50 meter. Now next topic is range and order of masses. Look at this table. Maximum mass is observable universe is equal to 10 raised to 55 kilogram. And minimum mass is mass of electron is equal to 10 raised to minus 30 kilogram. And last topic is range and order of time interval. Look at this table. According to this table, maximum time is age of universe is equal to 10 raised to 17 second. And minimum time is most unstable particle is 10 raised to minus 24 second. Read this question very carefully and write your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching.